Alright, so welcome back again to this channel. The lesson that we're going to learn for today is what we call waterfalls. And it looks exactly like this. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Waterfalls. Alright, so the technique for these tricks that we have to use both of our hands. Okay, so your left hand you have to open like this, while for your right hand you have to sway the bottle like this, and then you will flip it on your left hand, and then once you are holding it like this already, you're going to push it using your right hand, and then as it rotates, you will grab immediately the neck of the bottle. Okay, so somehow if you will look at the trick for this step, it looks like a waterfalls. No? That's the reason why they call it as waterfalls. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Waterfalls. Okay, so for the last time, waterfalls. Alright, so just keep on practicing. See you in my next videos.